Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how you can change your address in your Bigbasket. So let's start the video friends. In any smartphone, so first you have to open your Bigbasket. At the top here it is the profile. You have to simply tap on here. So you can see here it is address. So just simply tap on here. So here you can see this is the select delivery location. You can search location, you can use the location. Now click on add new address. From here you can just put anything. So friends, here you can see you can add anywhere from you, and you can complete the details from here. Just type your house number, building and anything from here, and add your delivery address from here. They will send you order from the location you have provided. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.